Why most people quit learning English? Because they are doing mistakes. They are not satisfied with their English. They are not confident enough and they are not taking efforts to learn English. So it's the reason. And these are the basic reasons. There are other reasons must be. But yeah, these are the reasons. And also they are shy and they are a guy who is very shy, like who don't speak as much. So learn slowly, improve daily. It will help you to grow slowly, but it is good for you, good for everybody. And nobody starts running after birth. He needed to grow up before. After that, he started walking, crawling, walking, and running. So, take first step in your English journey and start learning. What's the problem that you're facing in the English learning? Let me know in the comment and I'll share you how can I help you and what's the reason and how to solve the problem.